Thought for the day. Reading the news strengthens our problem-solving abilities. 1. Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited, a joint venture between India and Russia, has completed the firing trials of the 100% indigenous Alaska 203 Sher rifle at Korwa, Amethi. Army trials for its prototype are scheduled for September. While the original design is Russian, approximately 50 key components, 180 subcomponents, and raw materials are being sourced from Indian industry. This means the rifle is being manufactured in India, not merely assembled here. What is the Alaska 203? It is a 7.62 x 39 mm assault rifle from the Kalashnikov family. It features a gas-operated system, a folding adjustable stock, and a rail system for mounting optical sights and other accessories. It has been developed to replace the older Indian Small Arms System, INSAS, rifle. The country's major indigenous rifles. INSAS, the country's first indigenously designed standard infantry rifle. Developed by DRDO and the Ordnance Factory Board. Ugram, DRDO's 7.62 mm assault rifle, designed for modern infantry. 2. The Directorate General of Foreign Trade, DGFT, has immediately lifted the ban on the export of wheat flour, atta, refined wheat flour, maida, and semolina, suji. These items will now fall under the free category. This decision was taken to boost farmers' income and encourage rabi sowing amidst a decline in domestic prices. India is the world's second largest wheat producer. Production reached a record 120.65 million tons in 2025-26. Vidhwansak, an ordnance factory. Product. It is a multi-caliber anti-material rifle. It targets long-range objectives. SSS Defense T-72, an indigenous battle rifle from a private company, based on NATO caliber. 3. The Ministry of Defense has approved the transfer of technology for all of DRDO's conventional missile systems to domestic companies. This will enable the private sector to manufacture Akash, Astra, and Nag missiles within the country. The objective is to reduce defense imports and boost domestic production. Indigenous defense production has risen to 1.78 lakh rupees crore. 4. The Publications Division of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting won 7 awards at the Federation of Indian Publishers Excellence in Book Production Awards 2026. These include 4 second-place and 3 third-place awards. Bharat 2026 Feet, Hindi, and Yojana received second-place awards, while Dharti Ki Sehat won a third-place award. The honors were awarded for authentic publications in Hindi, English, and Urdu. 5. Word of the day. Theaterization. In theaterization, the Army, Air Force, and Navy are placed under a joint command for the security and combat operations of a specific geographical region. This improves coordination and ensures the optimal use of resources. Discussions regarding this gained momentum in India following the 2019 Theatre Command Plan. Currently, the 3 services operate under separate commands. The Andaman and Nicobar Command is the country's only tri-service theatre command. The Air Force is not opposed to theaterization, but believes India should develop a model tailored to its specific needs.